Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my origami suppressor or silencer. Here's just an example on my AK. Or you can put it on any gun you would like. It's a pretty easy model. So yeah guys, and please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? So, so you need a square sheet of paper, of course. So I use this quarter size paper, and you want to divide the paper about 2 times in quarters. Okay, so here's a scrap paper. This about 2 times. Okay, or you just have to adjust the size depending on like what gun you're gonna put it on and stuff. So for the AK, I use a this size paper. Okay, which is divided into quarters 2 times. Okay, again, so you just have to adjust to that. So first you want to fold it in half, just like that. Okay, then you want to unfold. Then you want to bring these 2 edges right here to the center line. Okay, like so. And then you want to bring this edge to the center line. Okay, just one edge right here, and don't fold this edge here. Okay, then you want to unfold. Then you want to fold in this corner inside. Okay, so follow the crease line right here and fold that corner right inside like this. Okay, and now you want to fold this edge right here about 1/3 way. Okay, so this column right here equal the same width as this column here. Okay, so take that edge and fold it. Gotta eyeball it, kind of make sure it's about 1/3 way down, and fold this down like so. And now you want to fold this edge down to about where that triangle is, so where that corner is. Okay, so below that corner or around where that triangle is. Okay, like so. Then you want to fold it in half like this, and then you want to fold in this corner right up to this edge here. Okay, so that's gonna be like a little hook. Okay, so if you have like a barrel that you made, you're gonna put this long piece right here, this middle piece, within the barrel like so, and then you're gonna take this triangle and hook it on top, or if it's facing this way, on the bottom, of course. Okay, and that should sort of stay on. Okay, like here. It's holding on by friction, so if you touch it, it'll probably fall off. But yeah, it should stay on. Okay, and to make the AK suppressor, you just have to zigzag fold it right here. So about fold it in half, fold it in like that. Then you wanna just fold up the edge down. Okay. And put the middle piece into the barrel. Then take that hook and hook it onto the side like that. Okay. Here is too small to see, but it's not focusing either. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.